This Vietnamese dessert offers an appealing combination of ingredients: the sweetness and creaminess of sweet coconut milk, the fragrance of banana and the roasted sesame seeds, and the texture of tapioca pearls. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Soak the tapioca pearls in cold water for 10 minutes. After absorbing water, the pearls will cook faster. Drain them. Cook them in boiling water for 8 minutes, stirring them often. Cut the fire. The pearls have become transparent. Wait a few seconds for the pearls to go down to the bottom of the pan. Don't drain them right now, because the pearls that have just been cooked will stick to the colander. Lean the pan to remove the hot water without throwing the pearls. Add cold water and let sit for 1 hour. The pearl size will increase. This pearl cooking technique prevents the dessert from becoming compact and pasty once cool. Meanwhile, green the sesame seeds for 3 minutes over low heat without stopping stirring. Put them in a bowl and let them cool. Blend them roughly to help releasing their perfume. Peel the bananas. Choose bananas not too ripe, otherwise they would crush during cooking. Cut them into chunks. Filter the tapioca pearls. Put the bananas in 25 centiliters of boiling water. Then add the salt, the sugar, the tapioca pearls, the coconut milk. Mix and leave on medium heat for 7 minutes. Cut the fire and let it cool for 15 minutes. Serve in a bowl for each guest. Sprinkle over 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.